Ever wondered how your favorite fizzy drink is made inside a modern cola factory? Let me show you how we do it here. From mixing huge tanks of syrup to running high-speed filling lines, the entire process is far more complex than most people think.
Today, I'll take you inside one of the most advanced beverage production plants we operate,
where we produce millions of bottles every single day. Stay with me, and you'll show you how cola is made from start to finish.
A huge network of stainless steel tanks, conveyors, and automated systems working continuously. Before mixing starts, all raw ingredients are stored under strict quality control, including purified water, sugar, flavor concentrates, and carbonation cylinders. The water passes through multiple filtration units and UV sterilizers to ensure it's perfectly clean and ready for production. Meanwhile, in the syrup preparation area, concentrated flavors are blended with melted sugar inside large stainless steel mixing tanks. Sugar is heated in dedicated melting tanks until it transforms into a smooth liquid syrup. Before the syrup moves forward, technicians check its color, consistency, and thickness to guarantee proper quality. Next, the syrup flows into a blending tank where it mixes with purified water in precise ratios monitored by automated systems. From here, the liquid enters the carbonation chamber, where CO2 is injected under pressure to give the cola its signature fizz. Dozens of mixing chambers operate together to maintain the perfect balance of sweetness, flavor, and carbonation. Finally, the freshly prepared cola mixture flows through interconnected pipes into a buffer tank. Inside the buffer tank, the cola mixture continues to move gently as internal paddles maintain a smooth and even consistency. Meanwhile, the bottle-making process begins with thousands of plastic bottle preforms stored in large bins, ready for production. These preforms travel through a rapid feeding system that aligns them perfectly before entering the heating tunnel. As they move through controlled heat, the preforms soften just enough to be molded into their final shape. Inside the stretch blow molding machine, each preform is expanded into a full-sized cola bottle within seconds. Freshly formed bottles exit the machine and immediately pass through an inspection unit that checks their clarity and shape. The bottles then gather on an accumulation table, waiting to enter the sterilization stage. Here, strong air jets blast inside each bottle, removing any dust or particles to ensure maximum cleanliness. Warm air dryers help remove any remaining moisture before the bottles transfer toward the high-speed filling line. Rows of bottles align perfectly as they approach the rotary filling carousel, preparing for the next major stage of production. The sterilized bottles move through an air rinse chamber, where powerful air jets ensure each one is completely clean before filling. After drying, the bottles travel down the line, staying perfectly aligned as they enter the high-speed filling system. The rotary filling carousel dispenses the exact amount of cola into every bottle with incredible precision. As the liquid pours in, sensors monitor the fill level to ensure uniformity across all bottles. Right after filling, the bottles glide toward the capping machine. Meanwhile, plastic caps are transported through a fast-moving feeder system that drops each cap into position at the perfect moment. The capping unit twists the caps securely onto every bottle in a rapid, synchronized motion. Once sealed, the bottles pass through a series of LED verification lights that check both the tightness of each cap and the clarity of the seal. Next, the filled and sealed bottles move through advanced inspection sensors that confirm every bottle meets the required safety and quality standards. Finally, the bottles exit the capping section in neat, perfectly organized rows, ready for the labeling process. From here, the bottles glide toward the labeling section, traveling along tight, streamlined conveyors. Large rolls of bright red labels spin rapidly as the labeling machine prepares each strip for application. The labels are applied with precision as the bottles rotate past the applicator arms. A short heat tunnel gently shrinks the labels into place, giving each bottle a smooth, professional finish. Once labeled, the bottles pass through high-speed cameras and scanners that check alignment, clarity, and overall quality. Any bottle with a misaligned label is automatically removed from the line. Those that pass inspection continue forward, gathering in large groups on a rotating table as they prepare for the packaging stage. Robotic guides then arrange the bottles into neat formations, grouping them for shrink-wrap packaging. Finally, the grouped bottles enter a shrink-wrap chamber, where a thin film is tightened around them, creating stable and secure multi-bottle packs. After leaving the shrink-wrap tunnel, the freshly wrapped packs of cola bottles move onto a cooling conveyor, where large industrial fans help the plastic tighten and stabilize. Once cooled, the packs are transported to the robotic palletizing area, where advanced robotic arms lift and stack them with precise accuracy. Each motion is carefully calculated, ensuring every pack is placed perfectly on the pallet. When a pallet is fully loaded, it enters a wrapping station where a rotating machine secures it with multiple layers of protective film. Next, an automated labeling system applies barcodes and batch information directly onto the wrapped pallets, helping track and identify every shipment. Once labeled, the pallets move toward the warehouse through a motorized conveyor lane. Inside the warehouse, rows of neatly organized pallets containing identical cola bottles fill tall storage racks. Forklifts move efficiently between aisles, transporting pallets to the designated loading areas. Workers prepare the pallets for dispatch, arranging them near the loading dock where outgoing trucks wait. Finally, a forklift loads the shrink-wrapped pallets into a truck, completing the entire factory packaging cycle. With the pallets securely inside, the truck doors close and the shipment begins its journey from the factory. As the truck pulls away, the production floor continues running, filling and preparing thousands more cola bottles for distribution. Back inside the plant, the bottling line maintains a steady pace. Rows of red-labeled cola bottles glide smoothly down the conveyors, each one filled, capped, and sealed with perfect precision. A series of automated sensors verify the tightness of each cap, making sure every bottle meets safety standards. Nearby, liquid-level inspection cameras ensure that the fill height of every bottle is consistent and accurate. Further down the line, high-speed scanners check that every label is positioned correctly. Bottles with misaligned labels are automatically removed, while the rest continue forward without interruption. The bottles then move gracefully around a curved conveyor section, forming long, satisfying rows of perfectly identical products. Finally, robotic systems lift and place the bottles into plastic crates, ensuring they are neatly organized for the next stage of the packing process. The filled crates now move on to an overhead conveyor system, traveling above the factory floor toward the secondary packaging area. Here, automated sorting mechanisms direct each crate into the correct lane based on batch and destination. Next, flat cardboard sheets enter a carton-forming machine, where they are folded and shaped into sturdy boxes. Robotic grippers then lift the crates and transfer the neatly arranged cola bottles into these freshly formed cartons with precise coordination. The sealed cartons then pass over a digital weighing station, where sensors verify that each box is correctly filled. Moving forward, an automated printer marks each carton with barcodes, batch codes, and tracking information. The cartons are then transported to a palletizing station, where robotic arms stack them into stable, layered formations. When a pallet is complete, it moves into the shrink wrapping section, where a thin film is tightly wrapped around the entire load for protection. Finally, the wrapped pallets are transferred into the warehouse storage area, ready for dispatch. Inside the warehouse, forklifts transport fully wrapped pallets toward the dispatch area. The warehouse aisles are lined with stacked pallets, arranged in long rows to make inventory and movement efficient. Quality control staff walk through the storage zones, checking documentation and verifying that every pallet meets shipping standards. Before dispatch, workers attach security seals to the pallets, ensuring they remain untouched during transport. The pallets then move on to a motorized loading conveyor that guides them smoothly toward the facility's dock doors. In the dispatch zone, trucks begin backing up into loading docks, aligning perfectly with the automated loaders.
Copy that, bringing them now.
These systems push full pallets into the trailer quickly and safely, allowing for rapid turnaround. Once loaded, the interior of the truck is tightly packed with cartons containing the same cola bottle design, arranged in perfect rows. Finally, the truck departs the factory grounds, beginning the delivery route to regional distribution centers. The journey continues at a regional distribution center, where large trucks arrive carrying fully loaded pallets from the factory. Inside the facility, forklifts quickly unload the pallets and place them into designated sorting zones. Automated routing systems then sort each carton based on destination, ensuring that every shipment moves toward the correct region or retail area. Smaller batches are prepared for delivery, where workers organize cartons onto rolling trolleys for faster distribution. These trolleys are then loaded into compact delivery vans that travel to local retail stores. Inside each store's storage room, the cartons are neatly stacked and prepared for shelf stocking. Store employees begin unpacking the cartons, placing rows of identical cola bottles onto the shelves. The bottles are aligned with labels facing forward, creating a clean and attractive display for customers. A close-up view shows the final product exactly as intended, a bright red labeled cola bottle with a consistent, clear design. And finally, the process ends where every cola's journey truly begins. A customer picks up a bottle from the shelf, completing the long chain from factory to consumer.